Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to blend edges of your image in Photoshop. First of all, you need to open the home page of your Photoshop, and right here we're gonna drop the image whose edges we want to blend. So this is the image in my case, so I'll just drag this onto our Photoshop and the image will be open here. So we need to unlock this image by clicking on this lock icon. Once your image is unlocked, just go to select, click on all, and as they select all of your image, again click on select, and this time we're gonna click on this modify option, and from here we need to choose the option contract. Make sure this value should be 500 and this option should be checked, and just click on OK. Now again go to select, this time we again click on modify and click on feather, and this value should be 200 and click on OK. Now we need to inverse this selection. For that, again we have to click on select, click on inverse. Once we inverse the selection, go to edit and this time click on cut, and here you can see we have blended the edges of our image. Just so that you can see it clearly, I can just add a solid white background here, and then you can able to see that we have successfully blended the edges of our image. And that's it. This is how you can do this. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, consider subscribing my YouTube channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.